Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. The great Gargamel touchdown in Trinidad and Tobago. Finally, you see? After all of what it go on where them there say boy, them no want him come there yet because of some little issues that they might have with the Dan, you see? But him get everything cleared up and finally the great Gargamel touchdown for go do him tour and do him show what him have to do at Trinidad. Cause the Caribbean thing the boss depend right now for him people, you see? So Buju Banton, big up yourself. You see me, I say no matter the fight with them fight you, and no matter the struggles you go through, you see it was all worth it. Right now, you think hotter road than you see it. So you're one of the living legend. Anyways, you don't know so the Dancehall Skilla bring to you what go on hot on social media. So as always, if you need to know more what go on, you have to click the subscribe button to stay up to date with the Skilla and you know the whole thing. You see me? Leave a comment and let me know what you think as always. It's just normal and it's just average. You see me? Alright, my name is Skilla and this way just see a Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Wanna big up on yourself, you see? Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.